Hey guys, G-Man Eth here. Want to give you a quick demo through the freshdrops rarity application. Let you see what we're all about. So let's start right here at the top. A link to our NFT. You need to own our NFT token in order to access the web app. A link to our Chrome extension. We'll be doing a follow-up video with all of the features of the extension. Basically, it brings our rarity and snipe tools right inside OpenSea. You can find our Discord here. So we have a lot of private channels for our members, but we also have a bunch of general channels where you can come and ask questions of the team, of other members in there, and see what we're all about. And of course, you should come and join us on Twitter where all the cool NFT people hang out. This just shows what wallet I am currently connected with. So here's a drop down of all the projects that are currently imported. We import anything that our members ask for as long as we support it, which is mostly everything. I've chosen Uncool Cats here because I have some. It'll help me show some of these features. Overall traits grid is of everything in the collection, kind of how is that overall data distribution. Alternate rankings. We don't necessarily agree that some projects and other tools have alternate rankings, but we like our members to have all the data available. Buy now and price filtering, we'll show you that here in just a little bit. And then here you can search for any asset by token ID, or you can put in a wallet address and see everything that's in that wallet. Now down below here, you can see the grid that you are used to seeing, mostly all tools. So you get the image, you get the rank, the score that gives that rank. All these one of ones are tie score, so that's why they have the same score and the same rank. You have a link to OpenSea. You have a link to make an offer. This offer happens without leaving our app. You do not have to go to OpenSea for that. And if you see the big pink button, then that is actually for sale on OpenSea, and you can go ahead and buy it from here also without going to OpenSea. So we'll try these in a minute, but OpenSea's API has been down for maintenance the last couple days, so it may not work, but I'll still try to show you how it works. It just may not go all the way through. So, you scroll the grid, all the things that you're used to, rank order, you can page through, or maybe you want to see kind of like what's in the middle, so you can kind of jump ahead. So pretty straightforward. Let's dig into some of these actual features in the detail. So overall traits grid. So this gives you an idea of how data is distributed across the entire collection. So we can see, obviously the cat who lived, well, actually none. The cat who lived in these TVs are really the most rare faces. Obviously the legendaries are their one of ones. That's a huge differential here. You can see the backgrounds, which often drive rarity scores. So this just gives you an idea of, as these things are revealing or as they're minting, what are certain traits and values that you want to keep an eye out for. You can also filter the collection in here. So let's just say that I love glitched TV heads. So if I select that, it is going to bring me to only show me the glitched TV heads. And I can close that right here. Now, you can also stack these up. So maybe I just love all the TV heads. And so when I come over here, you can see, great, I can just see the TV head. So we can do multiple filters. You can get rid of these one at a time, or go ahead and just get rid of all of them at once. Alternate rankings, I'll show you real quick. So the data distribution in Uncool Cats is really well done. So these don't vary a ton. Obviously in these one of ones, they won't. So let's come down here and page up a little bit, and you'll be able to see a little bit of how the ranks can change. They're pretty close. Here's a pretty good example. So with our score, this is a rank 45. If trait count is turned on, but normalization is turned off, you get a 139 rank. And then this one is going to be trait count turned off, trait normalization turned on, and then this is both turned off. So some projects get other tools to, do these things. Like I said, we don't agree with that form of ranking or that scoring, But we like our members to be fully informed when they're looking for NFTs. So I'll close that. All right, buy now filter, pretty self-explanatory. So we go out, we ask OpenSea to give us information on assets that are listed for sale. So you can see here this little bar is going. It is going out to OpenSea. It shows you that 420 of them have been asked for from OpenSea. We're constantly battling, throttling and rate limits and all these things, but it generally does a pretty good job. And so you can go and check them all out and see where the bargains are. So, and you can page through these. It's a pretty good buy right there. So if I turn that off, and then let's just say I have a 1 ETH max budget, because unlike you, I don't have an unlimited budget. So this is important. So you can see it's going out now and it's getting everything that is 1 ETH or under. So that's a steal right there, number 22, if you're looking for a good deal on uncool cats. So that's how that works. That really helps people find, good buys. And that can be at reveal, but it can also be much later. We find that a lot of our members find underpriced assets an hour or two after reveal, and then really for the next few days. I mean, you can always find great assets for a long time. So we import old projects a lot that members ask for that very reason. Now, wallet address. If I click this little button, it's going to preload my wallet. So you'll see I have some bags here on the uncool cats. This number 37 is a pretty cool one. Fidenza in the background. You can also put any other wallet in here. So let's go to OpenSea for this asset, Cocoa Bear. So when I was doing a little work getting ready for this, I noticed Cocoa Bear has a lot of these. So let's copy that wallet address and then put that in here. And we're going to filter on that. So Cocoa Bear has 3 one-of-ones, a bunch of low ranking. I mean, Cocoa Bear has bags, 133 items. So this is a way to keep track of, keep tabs on your friends or even just wallets that you follow, collectors that you like. But you can put in any wallet address there and see it. Let's say you minted and you got a couple tokens. Let's just say it's those two. You can search. Okay, show you those two, show you the rankings, things like that. So let's go back to the actual asset. So when you click the image, it has the rank, obviously the name, the rank. It has links to OpenSea if you want to go to OpenSea and see the asset there. It has a link directly to the image on the API. So sometimes at reveal, if the API is struggling, it'll take a second to get the images. So if you want, you can go click this and go directly to the source image. And same thing for the API data. This is the metadata that we pull in. I can show you that quickly. So this is a legendary, so there's not very many traits there, but this is an example of that. And then you see the individual scores and the percentages. I'm going to actually show you not a one-of-one. So yeah, you can see this a little bit better. So you can see what's really driving the score here. So the background, the binary background is important, adds to the score a bunch. The shirt, the comfy shirt adds to the score, and the comfy hat. So, but if we go here to this JSON, you can see this is exactly how we get the data. And then we take this data and run a rarity algorithm on it. And that's how we get you your ranks. So last thing to kind of show you is if I want to make a bid, I don't know if I have any WETH, but we'll give it a try. So I would just click this button. Now, you can do more than one at a time. So if you just want to spam offers like crazy, go ahead. And so it shows here 4 offers. We can put in you know, something really obnoxious that will annoy people, and we'll do that for an hour. And this is going to bring up, yeah, so I don't have any WETH at the moment, but this will just bring up MetaMask. You can go ahead and sign those 4 offers and then go to OpenSea and you'll find them. So we're going to be doing some more videos showing different strategies around buying and offers and all kinds of stuff like that. So we'll be sure to include this. With the API down, this wasn't going to end up working anyway, but just know when you hit submit, MetaMask is going to come up and you'll be able to buy. So let's show something here. I need to make sure I have enough ETH in here, even though we're not going to finish the transaction. All right, let's just take this one. So if you were to hit this button, it is just going to bring up MetaMask. No need to go to OpenSea. Do it right here. Check your gas, just like you're used to. Hit confirm. Now, like I said, if I hit confirm now, we're going to get an error from OpenSea. We are going to do future videos that take you all the way through the process. But believe me when I tell you, if you confirm it here, it will go buy it on OpenSea as long as that order is still active. So that's pretty much it as a main overview for the app. If you have any questions at all, come see us in Discord. Like I said, come check us out on Twitter. We're always happy to talk to anyone, answer anyone's questions. And yeah, like I said, be on the lookout for that browser extension video coming next. Until next time, see ya.